Hello everyone, Andy here. So today we're gonna take a look at these slot cars, which my son has received for Christmas last year, and it's a Carrera brand, and it's a CarreraGo. It's the cheapest tier they have. It's more of a toy, so the quality is not as good as I expected for the price, but it's quite fun to play with them. So first problem I had was this one, the green car here. So it's kind of a police chase theme, Swiss City action or what it's called. The same is also available in, I think, Highway Patrol, kind of an internationalistic looking police car, and a German version, just I think it's called Highway Patrol. So it's dirty in here, so that's the problem with dust. You should always keep this stuff, the tracks and everything, clean. So this one didn't work properly in the beginning. It was like not soldered properly here, this connection. The one to the motor was no problem, but here there was a big blob of solder, but it didn't make physical proper connection. It was only touching, and so sometimes it had kind of hiccups. At the beginning it didn't work at all, and then with shaking a bit it started working, but then it had some hiccups all the time. So I opened it and I found that this joint here wasn't soldered properly. So that's one of the problems or things I won't mention. So next is this guy. This worked very good in the beginning. Only problem was the spoiler here broke off quite quickly. So because they go quite fast on the track, and if they fly off, these things break off easily. I think there would be replacement, but I don't see the point to put in a replacement. I can also glue this one back on. Maybe it holds better than original. So this one has also light effect. That's quite cool, I think. It's the blue light on top here. So, but here we have another problem. I don't know if it's possible to see this. Here, see this yellow part? It's actually broke off here. I think 2 or 3 teeth are off. You cannot see it here in the camera. So better here, tack off. So then the problem starts, because I'm in Switzerland. It's quite hard to get something, so I have to do some tricks. Otherwise I would have paid almost double the price. And I think this quality was not available anyway in Switzerland. So that's one job, is to replace this. And these ones are easier to drive. Only problem is with the brushes are not fitting that well. And they get into the wheels, and then the wheels they get. You see it here. They get quite used here on the insides. And these pieces break off as well. Probably also case for gluing. Maybe not, I don't know. But without them they look a bit boring. But these ones are easier to drive than the normal cars, and I think Formula 1 cars. We don't have one, but I think they're also easier to drive because they're lower. Then another problem I have is with the tracks. These are connectors, they break off all the time. I don't know if that's my fault, if I'm doing it wrong, or if that's actually a known problem with this quality. So now let's try to replace this gear here. Should have get me some more tools actually. I think it's not possible to do this without tools as it looks. Oh, it's coming out like this. So this one does not come off easily. Try it with the scissors. Probably hurt myself. Oh no, it works. So can you see that? Two teeth just broke off the gear. Horrible. I don't know if this is normal or it's just a one-off. A lemon. So we have 8 new ones. I planned to, or I wanted to order another set of tracks, but I don't know if it's still a thing, or I kind of gave up on this one. So putting it in is even harder as it looks. Maybe a bit too far in there, huh? Oh, it doesn't look bad. It's actually, I think it's spot on there. You see that? It has to go much further in. So that should work again. Great. I actually have no video of the running system because it's quite hard to film, and last time it was so the sun was shining into the room. There are no shades there, so it was only dust visible on the video. Had to delete these. So that's it. Should work again. I think here the guide and the brush are in a good shape. We didn't use it that much because you have to have much space for this. And there is always little time. Yeah, that one fixed. Maybe I glue this, but not now. Don't want to glue now. This one goes to the bin. Broken gear. So question is if I want to replace the gear here as well, because no, it's just dirty. It's not in bad shape. It's everything dirty. Should have had cleaned up this better before. So, I think for the moment that's what I have about this CarreraGo slot car cars. Hope you find it kind of interesting or not, whatever. Please give some likes and subscribe and comment, that's highly appreciated. I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.